massive, 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 massive. Yeah, this is what we're talking about, nature. When nature when nature is growing on everywhere, you know it's time for you to return to nature. These plants are coming up from even dead tree. Matt, this is the yohimbe tree cut down in a certain location, and my father had to buy it because it was chopped down, and here it is growing up. Even we're not connected to the roots, you can see it's growing up. That is the beauty of nature. This here is a masterpiece. I couldn't have left this. This is the reason why I come to the village, because I see great things here. I see great things. Now I know why my forefathers were all into traditional medicine, because they saw so much that nature could offer, and we're doing this now. We're taking over the world. We are returning everyone back to nature. We are taking over the world with the truth, and with the truth, the people shall be set free from the bad and evil system introduced to them so many years ago. Now we have absolutely what we need, and that is nature. Ciao, people. Ciao, ciao, ciao. You should see this.